सलमान खान की पार्टी क्रैश करना, गट्स
Yeah, this is hypothetical. सुबह से लेकर रात तक इसे पता चलता है कि अरे ये कॉल पे लड़की के साथ नहीं होगा, जेसन के साथ होगा. Yeah, it is. That's why I said
जैसे
that
सनम और जेसन है, वैसे एबिगेल और चारू हैं.
अब तक आपने सुना होगा कि कपल्स लव के लिए कुछ भी करते हैं, लेकिन हमारे पास ऐसे कपल हैं जो डिवोर्स के लिए कुछ भी करने को तैयार हैं. सो हेलो, ये क्या है? मतलब उल्टी गंगा कैसे बह रही है भाई?
No.
ओके सॉरी. कुछ नहीं है, लोग लव के लिए कुछ भी करते हैं, हम लोग डिवोर्स के लिए कुछ भी कर रहे हैं.
अपना स्टाइल है.
हाँ, मतलब अपने प्रायोरिटीज हैं.
हाँ, लव स्टोरीज होती है, हमारी डिवोर्स स्टोरी है.
इतनी दुश्मनी है?
इससे भी ज्यादा.
अच्छा, वो इससे भी ज्यादा.
मैंने ट्रेलर देखा, बहुत ही अच्छा है और बहुत एंटरटेनिंग है. और आई थिंक आप एबिगेल और आप भी कुछ हमारे टाइप का जॉब कर रहे हैं उसमें.
Yes, exactly आपके टाइप का जॉब कर रहे हैं.
है ना?
जर्नलिस्ट.
यस. तो सबसे पहले बताइए, जर्नलिस्ट बनने का जो क्या कुछ मजा आया? समथिंग यू फील कि
I've always wanted to be a journalist. I was
क्या
so
बात है,
excited जब
क्या
हम
बात
Z5 के न्यूज रूम में वहाँ पे हम शूट करने गए थे. मैं इतनी एक्साइटेड थी. लाइक आई रिमेम्बर मैं सब उनके कपड़े, आउटफिट्स और ये सब देखी. इट इज सो फैसिनेटिंग, सच अ नाइस एंड ऑल्सो वेरी आई थिंक प्रेशर वाला जॉब, बिकॉज
किसी ने तो समझा.
या लाइक हम लोग एज एक्टर्स टेक 2 कर सकते हैं, बट यू नो जो लाइव करते हैं, इट्स जस्ट अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम ऑल टुगेदर. बट मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया.
ऋषभ, what about
हाँ, मुझे भी बहुत मजा आया क्योंकि lot of things that we were doing on ground was fun. Just to see those stories and the whole idea of having a cameraman with you.
Okay.
And we were not attached to the situation. We were more concerned about getting that footage and putting out a good story or a great story or have a message. But at the same time, I feel like a journalist's job is a lot to do with balancing both the things. क्योंकि in the end of the day, it is vital information. मतलब बहुत ज़रूरी information हम दे रहे हैं लोगों को. तो it's important कि वो सच भी हो, एक मैसेज भी दे, but at the same time सच ये है कि मसाला बिकता है, लोग देखना चाहते हैं. तो उसको बैलेंस करना.
ओके, सो हम शो के बारे में ऑफ कोर्स बात करेंगे, लेकिन आपने मसाला की बात करी, तो आई वुड लाइक टू नो फ्रॉम यू ऋषभ कि ऐसी मसालेदार न्यूज़ जो करंट में चल रही हो जिसे आप कवर करना चाहें, अगर आपको जर्नलिस्ट बता दिया तो. मसालेदार, नॉट अ सिंपल वन.
हाँ,
फ्रॉम एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री.
अरे हाँ, मतलब सोच रहा हूँ.
एबिगेल, आपका भी नंबर है.
हाँ, मैं भी सोच
आप
रही हूँ.
सोचिए.
मैं तो सोच रही.
You know, recently I heard of an interview or a statement by Shahrukh sir,
Okay.
that he has stopped smoking. I would want to just cover his day-to-day activities. And
That
just,
you would want to do anyway, whether
I'm a
he
Shah Rukh
stopped
fan.
or not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But imagine just covering him and just being around him and seeing how he's actually stopping the whole thing.
So you want to
Like
see
imagine.
that, या you want to see confirm that कि सच में छोड़ दिया है कि नहीं छोड़ा है?
नहीं, वो बोल रहे हैं तो सच ही बोल रहे होंगे ना. मतलब ये तो मैं मान के चल रहा हूँ. मतलब अभी शाहरुख.
बोलने की क्या जरूरत है?
हाँ, मतलब अरे यार. हाँ.
Day out with Shah Rukh Khan kind of.
हाँ, a proper day out with Shahrukh Khan.
हाँ.
Oh, I love that.
Imagination.
Oof.
I would like to be part of, like, you know, those controversial Bollywood parties. Like, actually क्या हो रहा है? You know what is happening? Because इतना discussion हो जाता है एक चीज की कि कभी देखना है बैठ के कि you know how do they get ready? How do they behave? As actors, you always see them very prim and proper, ना? So I think just to see them like.
But they're pretty much like us, no? मतलब.
How do you know what if
Why?
they're like?
But you're also very.
I'm not.
Oh please, she's so
I'm
hoity.
because right now I'm supposed to be.
Yeah.
I'm not hoity-toity.
Abby का बस चले तो वो ऐसे ऊपर हाँ बोलो क्या चल रहा है.
Okay. चलिए, किसकी पार्टी क्रैश करना चाहेंगे आप?
यार, I'm a Salman Khan fan. So definitely his party.
That requires guts. सलमान खान की पार्टी क्रैश करना. Guts.
Yeah, this is hypothetical.
Yeah.
आप अगर इनवाइट करेंगे मैं आ जाऊंगी.
तो उसको क्रैश फिर क्रैश कैसे
तो
हुआ?
कोई बात नहीं है, इनवाइट के साथ चली जाऊंगी. बेटर है.
इनवाइट नहीं है आपको, सॉरी.
इनवाइट है तो
हाँ, invite नहीं है ना.
फिर भी सलमान खान के.
फिर भी सलमान खान की क्रैश करना चाहिए.
क्रैश क्योंकि मुझे क्रश है. नहीं?
You can do better.
Better?
You've done better. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Okay, tell me about the show. डिवोर्स के लिए कुछ भी करेगा. What is exactly? मैंने I have seen the trailer.
Yes.
थोड़ा मुझे पता भी चला कि क्या है, क्यों है, सिचुएशन है, स्टोरी कवरेज है, बहुत कुछ है. ऋषभ, जब ये टाइटल आपके पास आया, so what was your reaction? It was something ulta, as I said.
I loved it.
हाँ.
Yeah, and I also got the gist because the genre said romantic comedy. तो मैंने इतना seriously नहीं लिया था title को because I knew the genre and I was very excited. And divorce के लिए कुछ भी करेगा. Basically, I just imagine two people who have a lot of banter with each other. बड़ी नोक झोंक, hate but love. So I was very excited.
Abigail?
Same, yeah, same. Very honestly, more than the title, the storyline of it was really like fascinating for me. एक तो कभी rom-com किया नहीं है, like youth एक time पे करती थी, but that was also not comedy like that. But the story, it was very like reading through the scenes also was so interesting for me that I was like ये तो करना ही है.
Yeah.
So how was everything, like shooting, location and all?
Good, yeah, a lot of fun
Yeah.
actually. I think we had a very good time shooting. If I have to be very honest, the script is written really well. Like I personally love the script. So I feel like once the script is right आपका आधा काम just वहाँ पर खत्म हो जाता है. The rest is just implementing and executing. मतलब आप उसको निभा जाए ना अगर तो बहुत मजा आ जाता है. जो हमें आया.
Best आपको क्या लगा आपके इस
As I said, the newsroom sequences, I loved it, and the climax.
The climax.
Yeah.
वो जो एंकरिंग करते हुए जब ऋषभ बोल रहे हैं कि ये तो मेरा था,
हाँ,
और वो जो मार के गिरा.
Yeah, all of that is the newsroom sequences because along with that we had a lot of montage scenes over there, so it was a lot of fun, like that. It was so fascinating.
पर आपने सच में मारा था?
क्या पैरों पे?
हाँ. लगी थी?
हाँ, of course.
वो बोल रहा था मारना गेलू मारना, पहले मैं ऐसे कर रही थी.
नहीं आप नहीं समझे. मैंने उसको बोला मारना. आपने पूछा लगी थी, पैरों पे नहीं.
अच्छा.
कि सच में मार दिया. अरे मैं तो बोलूंगा ही ना. लेकिन इसको सच में मार दिया.
Tell me briefly about the story. What is exactly and
I feel like the story is about two people who genuinely believe that they are the best. They both want to be top journalists. They both sort of have a love-hate relationship and eventually get married. Now want to get divorced, but maybe they fall in love.
maybe.
I guess.
Do you think it can be a real story, Abigail?
This story?
Yeah.
Oh, it would be really kick-ass if it's a real story. It would be
No,
really...
can it be?
Yeah, of course it can.
Yeah, it can be real.
Of course it can. Matlab, I think there's so many impossible scenarios that happen in our country on a daily basis. This feels very, very possible.
हो सकता है.
Yeah, definitely.
मतलब it's like people falling in love at the workplace ना. मतलब except for the fact that ये divorce वाला जो registration हो गया है marriage का.
Falling in love is something else. लेकिन वो शादी करके फिर डिवोर्स के लिए झगड़ा करना वो टाइप से मतलब एक फेक शादी है ना कायदे से.
Correct.
है ना?
हाँ वो थोड़ा मुश्किल है. मतलब you have to be very flipped. मतलब quite crazy.
Technically
मतलब
लॉजिक लग नहीं रहा है.
हाँ मतलब वो मुश्किल है.
बट आई थिंक बिहाइंड द सीन बहुत मजा आता होगा. इसको पूरी शूटिंग में आप लोगों को बहुत मजा आया होगा शूट करने में. सो प्लीज शेयर सम फनी एक्सपीरियंस जो आप लोगों को अभी भी सोच के हंसी आती है, पेट दुखता है काइंड ऑफ.
So I think it's particular scenes.
Yeah.
Like I personally really enjoy the counselor scenes, the courtroom scenes, which is a lot of fun.
Bandra Kurla.
Yes, the BKC. Yes, that I really enjoy.
And Amitabh ji, who was playing our lawyer, he was fantastic.
Yeah.
Like he was just so good. He was so good.
So I love those scenes. And मेरे को लगता है मुझे लगता है कि
मेरे को
I just realized it doesn't look feel
मुंबई.
nice. Yeah, मुझे लगता है कि when you get comedy right, उसका satisfaction एकदम अलग है. You just know it from the get go. अगर आपका crew, आपका director, DOP सब हंस रहे हैं ना, तो उसका एक satisfaction बहुत अलग है. So I think more than anything else, the best part used to be that when we were performing some scenes, Ankush sir and the DOP and the ADs were controlling their laughter. तो मुझे लगता है वो
Yeah, then
it's-
you
it's a
get
very
to
good
know
feeling.
like कि चलो ठीक है हो गया अच्छे से हो गया.
Anything particular you remember like?
Actually, a lot of things in general. As I said, the climax scene was because everyone together and all, it just kind of enhances the whole aspect. And his family, they were present in that scene. I think they're very, very good actors, all of them. And all
And
of them
such
were really,
wonderful people.
all of them now were really like a family. It was unbelievable that people who've just met 3 or 4 times, pehle shoot pe hi, suddenly have come together and they're like looking the part. So I think I just enjoyed shooting with them a lot.
Yeah. अरे very
Very
sweet,
sweet,
yeah.
very
और पता
family
है,
type.
Oof, मतलब just the fact that they did enough with their nuances. Not particularly, they didn't have a lot of dialogues or things to say in the courtroom scenes because Abby and I were fighting, right, in the scene.
Yes.
But just in that little silence, in those moments, the way they were reacting.
And in unity, like all of them together would react the same way.
My family hated Abby like वो सास बहू के जो दिखाते हैं ना कि they don't like each other. हाँ तो ऐसे ही था कि नहीं पसंद हमको ये लड़की. They were very good, yeah. Very good.
They were all very.
I think thriller में मुझे कुछ ऐसा intimate scene नहीं दिखा. Is there anything? No.
Family show है अपना.
Family show.
हाँ पूरा out and out family show.
Okay.
Please watch it with your family, in fact.
Yeah.
Rishabh, tell me how you are comfortable with intimate scene and all. Like web में तो काफी freedom है. You know, बड़े स्क्रीन पे थोड़ा सा लिमिटेशन है, टीवी में थोड़ा है, लेकिन एक वेब जो बीच का जो मीडियम बना है उसमें बहुत सारा फ्रीडम है. सो जब आप चूज करते हैं तो कुछ ऐसा रहता है, रिस्ट्रिक्शन है आपकी तरफ से कि मुझे ये सीन्स नहीं करने हैं?
It totally depends on a lot of factors, let's be very honest. I feel like if done aesthetically right, very important.
Yes.
If done by the right intention, making sure there's enough comfort between the actors and the director and the crew. In today's time, people also make sure that they get intimacy coordinators, which is again very important. But in totality, na, you know, see, basically, I don't like the idea of selling intimacy. See, if you're doing that, na, then मुझे लगता है नियत में ही खोट है ना. फिर आप ये कर रहे हैं क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि ये वर्क करेगा.
और वैसे टीजी बना के आप
Correct. But when you do it with a genuine heart, then it's very different. You can tell just by the framing, just by the thought, the way it's written. वो depth आपको दिखाई देगी. और अगर मुझे वो दिखेगी, तो then to an extent, I'd be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
For sure.
Abigail, what's
I think pretty much the same. I think if the script really requires it, like nowadays you get very shady casting calls where people will call you and be like, "आपकी ये dates available है, bold scene करोगे?" And I get really pissed off with that. That you're leading with that. Like you tell me something about
like
the show,
forced
about the
demand.
character.
Yeah.
आप bold scene कर लोगे ना, when that becomes a criteria ना कि that is important. बाकी चीजें, those things I don't like. But if you're doing a show which naturally, you know, script wise अगर होता है, तो फिर ठीक है. It should just, as he said, be shot aesthetically, and everyone has to be comfortable with whatever is happening. So I think that's.
And it's very tricky with intimacy. And I think that you can show intimacy in a way where you can leave it to the viewer's mind. See, our mind is beautiful.
Correct.
You see two people coming close, right?
Yeah.
And you wanting them to kiss is enough to create intimacy. They don't necessarily have to kiss also, because in the viewer's mind it's already happening.
Yeah.
So the moment you pan the camera, they already know. यार पहले के टाइम में तो फूल मिलते थे ना, मतलब उससे भी तो लोग समझ जाते थे.
बिल्कुल.
Correct. So I think if you do it in a very nice, soft manner, or even if it's raw, but you do it in the right manner with the right heart, then great. Otherwise, no. Like a big no.
Okay. Tell me about your journey. What do you think? You have achieved what you wanted at this stage?
Interesting. So I'll tell you.
Yeah.
When I was 13 years of age, I started acting. And after that, I was very, very sure that this is what I want to do, right? And I
Okay.
want to do it for the rest of my life. I started doing a lot of ads, then web shows, then I did a few other shows, then TV kiya, and फिर theatre kiya and all of that. For some reason, I'm not a big believer of manifestation, but
Okay.
then I also have to say this, that at around 16 or 17 years of age, पता नहीं क्यों, मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं हीरो या अपनी पहली फिल्म अराउंड 28 या 27 की उम्र में करूंगा, उससे पहले नहीं आएंगी.
Okay.
ये ख्याल था मुझे
जी.
और मैं भूल गया. Right? It is about 20 when I turned 28 on 20th of June last year, right? I got a call for a film and they said that we want to cast you as the hero.
Wow.
And I just realized that all my life I thought कि 28 की उम्र में as a hero film करूँगा, right? और मैं भूल गया उसके बारे में फिर. और when I was 29 I had finished the film. So yeah, I mean, would I like to be more famous and more popular and be known as a great actor? Yes, but I'm also a believer कि यार जो चीज़ें हवा में बहुत तेज़ी से जाती है ना, वो तेज़ी से गिर भी जाती है. तो धीरे से जाएंगे और फिर कभी नहीं गिरेंगे.
Right.
Very happy.
Abigail, I know you for a long time, I guess. Same दिखते हो आप. इतनी hot and happening.
Thank you God, thank you God.
Yeah, look wise. But tell me about your career wise.
See, career wise, obviously I always aspire for more. I will never be content with अच्छा किया है. But ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मैं कुछ frustration में या कुछ regret में बैठी हूँ. नहीं, like I've said it 50 times I think today only that I believe in destiny. So I know whatever's going to come is going to come. ठीक है, उसके सल करके ये करके फायदा नहीं है. And I think like I don't think success is only measured according to what you're doing in your career. I think like, you know, personally I'm doing great, my family is there, they're all healthy, happy, and I think
Yes.
ठीक है, friends अच्छे हैं, दोस्त काफी है, बाकी चीजें इधर ऊपर नीचे होती रहती है.
बिल्कुल. अच्छा, आपके बारे में सनम के बारे में मुझे कुछ खास पता चला है, और आपके बारे में जो आपकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड दीक्षा हैं, उन्होंने मुझे बहुत सीक्रेट बताई. ऋषभ, आप भी सुन लीजिए.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
बहुत
Oh my-
इंटरेस्टिंग है.
Oh my God.
So, दीक्षा को जासून पे डाउट है, उनके पति पे डाउट है, हाँ, जैसन पे डाउट है कि अगर कोई मुझे बोले ना कि ये गे है, तो मैं आंख बंद करके बोलूंगी कि ये सनम के साथ इसका अफेयर है.
Yeah. They're like super close. Like both of them, they video call. सुबह से लेकर रात तक इसे पता चलता है कि अरे ये कॉल पे लड़की के साथ नहीं होगा, जेसन के साथ होगा.
वो हाँ, पर वो तो चलो
Yeah, it is, that's why I said
जैसे
that
सनम
Ankush-
और जेसन है,
Yeah.
वैसे एबिगेल और चारू हैं.
Yeah.
वो लोग भी एक कपल है ना.
Oh God,
चलो,
yeah.
आज एक और बात रिवील
Yeah.
हो गई.
So yeah, absolutely. So I think guys have that. Yeah, they always have that one best friend who's like, they're always. जेसन घर आता है, मैं कितनी बार घर आती हूँ, कभी मेरे लिए कोक वोक सनम मंगा के. जेसन आता है तो मंचीज आएंगे, कोक फ्रिज में भरा रहेगा, तो I'll also come कि चल जेसन आ रहा है.
Okay.
So yeah, they know each other from Delhi. So yeah, it's true. what
It's true.
Diksha
It's
said.
true. Okay, you have also doubt. चलो ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
Thank you.
Thank
जाते
you.
जाते कुछ कहना चाहेंगे अपने फैंस को, बिकॉज इट्स 29th November and it's too.
गाइस, हमारा शो रिलीज हो रहा है ऑन 29th of November. इट्स कॉल्ड डिवोर्स के लिए कुछ भी करेगा.
Very nice, guys. So
Yay.
please देख लो. Rishabh has faked so much excitement right now. You should do it. From the
हंस हाँ. That what she said.
that even I.
Epilotus.
Epic Lotus. Yeah. Please watch our show basically, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thanks a
much.
lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.